What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I will be going over how to request verification on Twitter and exactly what you need to know about requesting the verification. So as you will see here in just a second, there are some qualifications that you need to have in order for Twitter to recognize you, and some of them are kind of broad as much as just having a big audience and being a recognizable figure, which they don't necessarily quantify. But basically what you want to do to request verification, hit your profile picture in the top left corner there, and you can just continue to scroll down until you go into settings. And then moving into settings here, you're just going to hit the top setting there for your account at the top there, and then again hit account information at the top once again. And then once you're on this screen here, I do have to block some stuff out, but it is the fourth one down right below email. It says verification quest. You click on that and it's going to bring up this screen right here. And it's basically right here, if you scroll down, this will give you your answer of how you become eligible to get verification on Twitter. You need to be authentic. And also what I was talking about earlier, that you need to be some sort of notable figure. They don't necessarily quantify that. So unfortunately, in most of times, it's best to just wait for them to verify you themselves. I don't think many times Twitter goes out of their way to check this and actually verifies individual people. It's very rare that you would get verified through this, but it's always worth a shot if a lot of imposters are coming up and you feel like you have a notable audience to be verified on Twitter. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you did have any questions about Twitter verification that I didn't explain here, comment down below and I would love to help you out down there. Other than that though, if you did find this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.